trying something completely new. I am roasting a chicken in a Dutch oven. Let's see how it turns out. First, we want to start off with about a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of garlic, about 1.5 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. But you can definitely use all your favorite seasonings that you would normally put on a chicken. All right, that's all well mixed. Get our chicken ready. So you're gonna take your herb butter. It's real important to get it up underneath the skin. Adds a lot of moisture to the chicken breast. And we can repeat on the other side. And you're gonna take the remaining butter and put it all over your chicken. The last time I roasted a chicken in the oven, I did it on an open rack and it made a hot mess. I had to clean the oven. I couldn't use it until I did, or risk a fire. It was bad. So hence the Dutch oven. And then later I plan on using the chicken to make a chicken pot pie. And then my green chili chicken enchiladas. Both videos are posted. Feel free to check those out. Slippery little sucker. Let's get it into the Dutch oven. We're just gonna place our chicken down in there and get it in the oven. I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna bake it with the lid on for an hour, and then we're gonna take it off for the next 15-20 minutes after that. Now that I've wrestled it out of the pot, let's give it a slice. Look at that, nice and moist, tender, juicy. You could make a one-pot meal out of this by putting potatoes and carrots underneath while it roasts and a side salad, and you have dinner made. Well, that turned out pretty good, and my oven is still clean. Winning! If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future recipes. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.